Okay, hi everyone. In this video, we'll be covering a very important and very significant topic for every CETA exam. Okay, now most of the people on this channel are preparing for 3-year or 5-year LLB. So, an important topic for these exams is called parts of speech. Parts of speech is this one topic that is very important to do any other grammar topic. That's very important to know the foundation of grammar itself. So, in this video, we will cover all 8 parts of speech. So, keep watching. Alright, before we begin, kindly quickly subscribe to our channel because we have a very special video at 1000 subscribers waiting for you. So, kindly subscribe ASAP. Alright, let's get into it. There are 8 parts of speech. Okay, every word in a sentence has a function. Nothing in English grammar is ever random. Okay, so every single word, for example, the most common phrase, I love you. Every single word in I love you has a function. Okay, I has a function, love has a function, you has a function. I am speaking. This sentence, इस sentence के हर एक शब्द में उसका हर एक अलग function है. So parts of speech determines the functions of every single word in a speech. That's why it's called part or parts of speech. Okay, the total 8 parts of speech होते हैं English grammar में. Okay, how many can you name? The first one, the most common one, is noun. Next, pronoun. Third, verb. फिर आते हैं modifiers, adverbs and adjectives. Next, preposition, conjunction and interjections, all the uns, ions. So these are total 8 parts of speech. We will take each one of them one by one. Alright, the first one, ion nouns. हमने सबने स्कूल में खेला है name, place, animal, thing. That's what nouns are. Name, place, animal, thing plus ideas. That's what are nouns. Okay, person, place, thing or ideas. These are called nouns. Nouns इसको हिंदी में कहते हैं नाम. Okay, nouns का मतलब है नाम. Okay, for example, dancer, street, lamp, freedom. It's an intangible idea. Okay, so these are all examples of noun. Now let's take up types of noun. Okay, now there are different types of noun. The first one is countable nouns. Countable nouns, you will never forget this. Countable, uncountable में बहुत confusion होता है. गिनने में तो मैं बाल भी गिन सकता हूँ, पर how do I differentiate what is countable and not countable? Okay, anything and everything that can be counted on your fingers is countable. Anything that cannot be counted on your fingers is uncountable. For example, you can always say 3 boys, 8 tables, 4 pencils. But you can never say 4 rice, 5 sugars and 6 milk. You can count packets. You can count bottles. So you can say 8 bottles of milk, but you cannot say मुझे 8 milk दो या मुझे तुमसे 3 प्यार है या 4 प्यार है. Okay, so therefore these are uncountable nouns and anything that can be counted on fingers are countable nouns. Simple. Next आता है proper noun. Proper nouns are always individualistic, distinct nouns. हमारे नाम, शहरों के नाम, okay, किसी का भी नाम is proper noun. Okay, why? Because they are very distinct and individualistic. There could be a million Shreyas in the world and a million Shreyas in the world. Yet, it is still a more individualistic name than a table or a pencil or a pen. Okay, ये categories के नाम हैं और इसलिए ये common nouns में आते हैं. ठीक है? For example, red car, that's a common noun, but swift desire, that's a proper noun. जहाँ पे भी नाम आ गया, that is a proper noun. No matter how common Tata Nano is, it's still a name. So it is still a proper noun. But a car is a common noun. Next are your collective nouns. Collective noun क्या करता है? सबको एक झुंड में एक बार में एड्रेस करता है. हाँ, हमेशा कहते हैं ना, द गवर्नमेंट इज करप्ट, ना कि द गवर्नमेंट आर करप्ट. गवर्नमेंट में भी तो कितने लोग हैं? right? Government has the president, the prime minister, the MLAs, the chief ministers, okay? इतने सारे minister हैं, फिर भी हम बोलते हैं government is corrupt. ठीक है? Crowd, people, they are all collective nouns. Okay, team में भी 11 members होते हैं, but फिर भी हम बोलते हैं the team is playing well. Okay, so ये क्या करता है? It is a name given to a collection of people or things taken together and spoken as a whole. Okay, हम बोलते हैं ना pride of lions, murder of crows, flight of stairs. These are all collective nouns used for different nouns. Next है abstract noun. नाम में ही है, they are abstract. They cannot be, they cannot be touched. They're not tactile. And they're intangible. They can only be felt. For example, beauty, courage, friendship. These are intangible ideas. You can't touch it, but you can only feel it. So anything and everything that cannot be touched or seen is an abstract noun. Okay, so these are types of nouns. CT will probably give you one sentence and highlight a single word and ask you what type of noun this is. Okay, so you must know this. Assertion and reason के form में आ सकता है. Maybe RC में पूछा जा सकता है. So this is part of speech is a basic topic that you must know before sitting for the CT exam and preparing any and every other grammar topic. क्योंकि बाकी सारा grammar इन्हीं से तो बना है. Subject verb agreement is the agreement of subject and agreement of noun and verb. Okay, tenses क्या है? Verb का अलग अलग समय का form है. So everything is made up of these 8 things. Let's go back. Nouns हो गया. Next आता है pronoun. It is again in the name. They are proxy for nouns. Okay, pronoun, proxy for nouns. Proxy यानी substitution. तो ये ऐसी चीजें हैं जो नाम का जगह लेते हैं. Okay, you cannot say Jessica, Jessica, Jessica over and over. Okay, in the first sentence, you probably say Jessica, ma'am. And then probably after you follow up and you are talking about the same subject, you will follow with she or her. You will use my pronouns. Okay, you cannot use the noun over and over. So there comes pronouns. For example, it, I, you, he, she, them, who, what, everyone. ये सब pronouns हैं. ये तो देखे ही होंगे, but ये भी pronouns है. Who, what, everyone are also pronouns. ये भी noun की जगह ही लेते हैं. अभी मेरे को phone पे चलो call आ रहा है. I don't know who's calling me. So what will I say? Who is calling me? Okay, that's the sentence that I just spoke. Who is calling me? I don't know the noun. I don't know the name. Hence, I'm using a pronoun, a proxy for the name, a name which I don't know. Therefore, who and what are also pronouns because they are taking place of a noun. Although we don't know the noun, but they're still taking the place, na? तो ये बेचारे भी pronoun ही हुए. Okay, so how does it look like in a sentence? Okay, you can't say Mrs. Etter, or Jessica ma'am over and over. So you'll simply say, she went to lunch or she teaches well. Simple. All right, next is verb. Verb क्या है? I'm speaking, you are watching, you are subscribing, hopefully liking the video, sharing, commenting, okay, sitting, learning. All of these are actions that you are doing. Okay, so all the actions are verbs. Action, movements, ये सारे verbs होते हैं. State of beings भी verb होता है. How are you? I am nice. I am well. I am learning. She is learning. Okay, am, is, ये सब होने का definition है. होना. Is, am, are, was, were. ये सब होने का, subject का होने का state बताते हैं. So, state of being is the state of होना. इसी को हिंदी में बोलोगे, मैं अच्छी हूँ, तुम कैसे हो? होना. तो ये है, हो, हूँ. इंग्लिश में इसे कहते हैं is, am, are. तो the state of being are also verbs. So singing, dancing, believing, thinking, ये तो verbs है ही, but is, was, were and are plus am, I के साथ सिर्फ am जाता है. ये भी verbs हैं, इन्हें कहते हैं state of being verbs और auxiliary verbs. ये दोनों हैं. ये verb को help भी करते हैं और ये एक subject का होने का भी बताते हैं. वंस को हिंदी में कहते हैं क्रिया, प्रोनाउन को हिंदी में कहते हैं सर्वनाम. So you have all done this before. This is probably just a revision for all the existing concepts in your head. Okay? For example, Sam अच्छी है. Sam is nice. Okay? Will, shall, could, would are also verbs and इन्हें कहते हैं modal verbs. Alright? So I want you to quickly and honestly pause the video, go to the comment box and quickly tell me all the verbs in the given sentence. I will tell you the right answer in the comment box itself. Okay, this is a sentence. Find all the verbs in the given sentence. Quick, pause the video and comment right now. All right, perfect. नेक्स्ट है एडजेक्टिव्स. एडजेक्टिव्स देखो 3 बेसिक है, नाउन, प्रोनाउन, वर्ब्स. फिर आते हैं मॉडिफायर्स जो होते हैं एडजेक्टिव और एडवर्ब. ये क्या काम करते हैं? सिर्फ मॉडिफाई, मॉडिफिकेशन का काम करते हैं. एडजेक्टिव सिर्फ एक चीज को मॉडिफाई करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ये एक ड्रेस है. ठीक है, ड्रेस क्या है? ये नाउन. पर अगर मैं कहूँ ये एक ब्लैक ड्रेस है, ये एक लॉन्ग ड्रेस है, ये एक कॉटन ड्रेस है, वूलन ड्रेस है, ये सब क्या कर रहे हैं? नाउन के बारे में थोड़ा और बता रहे हैं. ब्लैक ड्रेस, ब्राउन ड्रेस, कॉटन ड्रेस. सो ब्लैक, ब्राउन, कॉटन आर ऑल adjectives. All right, they modify or describe a noun further. They make a noun more specific. For example, red, it's a red car, it's a smelly car, it's a disturbing car, it's a kind car driver. Okay, it's a simple car, his car. Okay, his. अभी किया मैम, अभी तो आपने बोला प्रोनाउन होता है. होता तो है, बट कभी कभी in English language one single word can have multiple functions. It's not compulsory one word will have one function. For example, his can have multiple functions. So if it is used in front of a noun, it is modifying or describing more about a noun. Okay, so when I say his car, his house, ऐसा वैसा house नहीं है, उसका house है, उसका गाड़ी है. Okay, so his is also sometimes an adjective. So there is no way you can't, ये रट्टा नहीं मार सकते आप. आपको वहाँ पे उसका context जानना पड़ेगा, उसका function जानना पड़ेगा. Only then can you know the right path of speech. All right, so you will follow the same thing. Okay, this is the sentence. I want you to quickly and honestly pause the video and comment down below what are all the adjectives in the given sentence. Quick. Perfect. Let's move on. All right, now comes adverb. अभी किया adjective, noun के बारे में थोड़ा और बताता है. पर adverb क्या करता है? Adverb बेचारा थोड़ा ज़्यादा काम करता है. Adverb talks and modifies about 3 things. Okay, it modifies 3 things. एक तो नाम में ही है इसके. Verb, एक तो ये verb को modify करता है. Next, ये adjectives को भी modify करता है. और third, ये खुद adverb को भी modify करता है. यानी अपने आप को भी करता है. Okay, for example, kindly walk slowly, kindly walk fast, kindly read quickly. Okay, ऐसे सारे words जो verbs, adjectives और adverbs के बारे में बताते हैं, they are called adverbs. Mostly, not all, but most of the words will end with ly at the end. Most of them, not all. Right? Now, you will do the same thing. You will pause the video and describe all the given adverbs in the sentence. Okay? It's not very difficult if you can find all the verbs in the sentence, all the adjectives in the sentence, and all the adverbs in the sentence. And then you can easily spot इनके modifiers कौन से हैं. Then you can easily get all the adverbs in the given sentence. It's quite easy. All right? So this is the video. Or this is a sentence. You kindly pause the video and comment down below. Perfect. Next are your prepositions. Again, in the name. Everything is right in the name. They tell you the position of a noun or a pronoun. ठीक है, they tell you the position of a noun or a pronoun. Okay, it could be position, relationship, or time related relationship. Like meet me in January, meet me at 5 o'clock. All right, meet me on the 2nd of January. तो ये भी prepositions है, at, on, in. So what are some examples? Okay, please go up the stairs. The table is, the phone is on the table. Okay, please park between the poles. So these are all your prepositions. So what will you do? You will tell me all the prepositions given in the sentence below. Okay, you'll pause the video and quickly highlight all the prepositions given here. Okay, what do? They tell you a relationship or a position of noun or a pronoun in a sentence. Okay, next are conjunctions. Again, in the name junction, आपका ट्रेन जंक्शन आपको जोड़े रखता है इंडिया के बाकी पार्ट्स से, right? If I want to go to Delhi to Mumbai, I can easily take a train. Okay, so what do train junctions do? They keep us, joined. सो कंजंक्शंस भी क्या काम करते हैं? यही काम करते हैं, जोड़ने का काम करते हैं. कंजंक्शंस यानी जॉइनिंग, जो ज फॉरगेट डोंट फॉरगेट ज जॉइनिंग. ओके, ये दे आर यूज्ड टू जॉइन वर्ड्स, फ्रेजेस और क्लॉजेस. फॉर एग्जांपल and, nor, because, or, but. Okay, instead of saying I like pizza, I like burger, बार बार बोलने की जगह you can simply say I like pizza and burger. Okay, you're joining words. Okay, so what will you do? Same thing, you will pause the video, highlight all the conjunctions given in this sentence. Okay, I will be checking the comments and I will be reviewing your answers in the comments itself. All right, we have done 7 parts of speech. Let's move on to the last part of speech, which is called interjection. Interjection, okay, as my students like to call it, badi dandi wale words. Why are they called badi dandi wale words? Because ये ऐसे शब्द है जिनके बाद बड़ी सी डंडी लगती है, which is called an exclamation point or an exclamation mark. Okay, क्यों लगती है? Interjection एक अलग family क्यों है? ओके, इंटरजेक्शन एक अलग फैमिली है क्योंकि ये शब्द कभी भी डिक्शनरी में आपको मिलेंगे नहीं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ईव, ईक, हुर्रे, वाव, ये शब्द डिक्शनरी में नहीं मिलेंगे क्योंकि ये वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स नहीं है. ये कैसे वर्ड्स है? ये ड्रामेटिक वर्ड्स है, ये ऑनोमोटोपिक वर्ड्स है, ये इमोशनल वर्ड्स है, दे आर फुल ऑफ इमोशंस, इसलिए इनकी अलग फैमिली बनाई गई है. Okay, they're called interjections. Okay, they usually express emotions and usually end with an exclamation point or a comma. For example, ah, ouch, eek, whoops. Okay, they all are expressing emotions, hence these are all interjections. ठीक है? Ow, you stepped on my toe. Okay, 2 words have an exclamation point at the end. But कौन से शब्द में इमोशन है? टू बी स्पेसिफिक, कौन से शब्द में दर्द है? ओके, सिर्फ दर्द यहाँ है, यहाँ दर्द नहीं है. So this is not an interjection, only this is an interjection. Similarly, I want you to quickly pause the video and answer what are the interjections in this sentence. Alright, so that was it. Thank you so much for watching it till the end. Kindly subscribe to our channel, kindly like the video, share if you found it relevant, and kindly help us reach 1000 subscribers because we have a very special video waiting for the end. So, kindly subscribe. Thank you for watching.